Hey guys, welcome back to Team DTV, and today we are here at the 2025 4x4 Expo here at Park Links, Pasig. So finally, we will have a chance to check this 2024 Toyota Fortuner GRS. Ang hirap makakuha ng model na to sa dealership. Matagal naming nire-request na makapag-review. Mabilis, konting araw lang siya madi-display tapos mamaya marirelease na. Ang daming buibili. So finally, buti na lang, Toyota is here at the Expo at meron sila naka-display dito. And unfortunately, we were hoping to get a chance to do a test drive. Kaya lang wala silang test drive unit. So anyway, samahan nyo kami. Tingnan natin kung anong mga bagong features itong Toyota Fortuner GRS.
Alright, so the GRS is now the top of the line Fortuner, no? Dati yung limited, yung LTD. Now let's just focus ano yung meron sa GRS on top of the LTD. So the engine 1GD FTV, the same, 4-cylinder, displacement is 2.8. Yeah, basically the same. Ang pinagkaiba is the output. Ni-retune nila to just like what they did to the Hilux GRS. Meron na siyang 222 horsepower. Torque is now at 550. Yung LTD nasa 500 lang, yung torque niya 204 yung HP. So the same engine pero ni-retune nila. So mas powerful to. All right? But it's still the same 6-speed transmission. The same drivetrain as the LTD 4x4 din. Merong auto disconnect differential, merong differential lock.
Just for comparison, yung Raptor, Ford Ranger Raptor, 500 Newton meters of torque. Yung Ford Everest ko na 3.2, 470. This one is 550. Malakas to.
Yung front suspension nito is also double wishbone but with monotube shock absorber. Iba ang spring rate nito, mas comfortable. For the rear, it's also the same multi-link pero again binago din nila yung shock absorber. So front and rear nilagyan nila ng monotube shock absorber. Sa brakes naman, although the same ventilated disc pero yung brake calipers niya is GR. When it comes to the tires, exactly the same size, 265/60 rim 18, pero ang pinagkaiba lang machine cut GR design. Si Hilux GRS, yung offset ng mags mas malaki, mas palabas. Yung Hilux nga mas wider ang stance niya, mas malapad, kaya it was also matched with a wider mga fender flares para ma-accommodate yung wider track nung tires. Dito sa Fortuner GRS, hindi nila ginawa yon. Okay, pagdating naman dito sa front fascia, yung headlamps niya is the same as the limited, split type LED, daytime running lights, the same LED, turn signal niya, the same sequential na LED, fog lamps, LED. Pagdating naman sa front grille, ang pinagkaiba ng GRS, mesh type, tapos bi-tone paint, and meron siyang GR badge. And then pagdating naman dito sa likod, rear combination lamp, pareho lang din sa limited. LED with line guide, and it's also sequential. Yung back door garnish and the door outside handle, naka-body color. Unlike sa limited, naka-blackout, and then sa Q, naka-chrome. Dito naman sa interior, meron ding difference si GRS. Ang gamit nila dito, material, they used leather and suede, and there's the very obvious red stitching, and then of course merong GR badge. Yeah, so but other than that, it's the same steering wheel, maganda, may GR badge, the same setup ng instrument cluster. We've seen this many times na, familiar tayo dyan sa Hilux. And then itong dashboard, this layout, we are all very familiar with this already. Aircon vent, hazard, and then there's your clock. There's still your dual AC controls, and yan yung manual switch for the 4x4. Ayan, tapos meron siyang what do you call that, wireless charger. And then ayan, cup holders, the same gated automatic transmission shifter. Yan, eco mode, normal, sport, and yeah, basically the same center box console. And then of course, ang paborito ko sa lahat, ayan, black yung headliner. Nice. Ayan. Ito pala, yung engine start-stop button. May GR badge na rin.
Alright guys, that's it for the Toyota Fortuner GRS. Grabe ang init dito. So I hope you like this video. There's a lot more other car brands participating in this 4x4 Expo here in Parklinks, Pasig. We'll try to cover a few more cars. So please do stand by. Watch out for yung mga susunod naming ipapublish. If we can publish this before the event ends, I think this will end on Sunday. And hopefully mapanood nyo to. And habol kayo dito for especially to the 4x4 enthusiasts. Alright? Mainit lang talaga. So siguro mas maganda pumunta in the afternoon. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. As always, drive safe. Bye.
If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are also on Facebook. Please like and follow our page.